What's up, guys? In this video we're going to wait, no, we're not working on this. What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be doing a review on some Arizona RX Energy Tea that I just got in the mail. Here's the unbox. Come get this unboxing. Look at that. Look at all that drink.
It only took like a month.
It was out for delivery on Monday.
It's dented.
Saturday. It's dented. We're gonna have to contact Arizona about that. But this is their Arizona Refreshing Herbal Tonic RX Energy. Let's try her out. These are big cans too. This is like the, you can't find this stuff anywhere. It's a big can. Not bad. I was expecting it to taste like ass because it's warm, but it's actually pretty good. But anyway, we're not actually doing a review on Arizona tea in this video. What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about my straight pipe Mustang and whether or not I should put mufflers on it. Wait, no, we're not doing that either. What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be installing some sequential turn signals on Brandy's 2006 Mustang GT. Actually, Brandy's going to install them. I'm going to video her. Right, Brandy?
My own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
So we got this, I better not put the shipping label in there. You guys will all come to my house. We got this sequential turn signal harness off Amazon. It was about $100, and they recommend that you replace all the bulbs. I think they were 4057s for the brake lights and 921s for the reverse lights. Brandy, pop your trunk.
I don't have my keys.
Oh, she doesn't have her keys.
Yeah,
Pop your trunk.
No, it's a mess.
Yeah, it is a mess. Oh, so they look pretty. They actually don't look bad to do at all.
They're not.
This should be a pretty quick install. Here, hold this. Film me. Film the superstar. So it looks like we're just gonna have to...
You said it.
I think John would probably be better in a movie.
man, let me pull my ponytail out. I look like the 90s rock star. Or the 80s rock star.
So it looks like we have 3 10mm bolts to pull out the taillight. And then this harness here is just going to unplug, and we're going to replace that harness with this harness. There's also what looks to be a phone line. That's for getting better cell phone reception in your Mustang.
What?
Reception.
That's to hook up our internet.
Yeah, this is for the internet. That comes with the taillights. Now, what this does is if you don't want the brake lights to flash initially when you press the brake pedal, if you run this line across from each harness, it'll cancel that out. But we want them to flash, so we're not going to install that. But that's what that's for, if you guys have that. So I was wrong, they're not 10mm.
Yeah, but I've got some that are all the way over here. So
It's just one over there,
no,
I think.
I have like 4 of them.
Well, what size is it?
11.
It's an 11, but Brandy's using a 12.
No, this is an 11.
Is it?
11.
Oh. John brought all the sizes.
There's one here.
You got some leaves in here.
Probably. Get them out.
You mean the scratch and wash don't take care of this?
I think there's one over here yet. Maybe not.
It's just 3. I thought it was just 3. Yeah.
Don't look at that.
I'm looking at it.
No.
So is everyone else. Now they know your dirty secret.
It's not my fault.
Alright, so you
Ask
got
Ryan
to...
if he wants to detail it and how much he would charge me to go in all of these areas.
You gotta pop all these out.
Yeah.
They just twist out.
I know, I've done this. Hold these.
Well, my hands are full of nuts right now, so I can't help you. You guys ever wonder what a Mustang taillight sees? Volkswagens. Brandy's working on getting that taillight out, getting those bulbs unplugged. And then here we have this harness. We're just gonna unplug it here.
That bulb looks burnt.
Probably. Your taillights did look weird.
Yeah.
So this guy just has a little push tab right here. And you're gonna push that and it'll pull right out. And look at that. You don't even have to fight with it. It just comes right out. Probably could have just left the... Wait, no, we're not replacing the taillights. Never mind. We're just gonna set these here for now. We're going to run the new harness in the hole.
I think these are new bulbs. Actually, I know they're new bulbs.
Okay, well, the video said that they recommend using new bulbs with their harness, so that's what we're gonna do.
Fine. How do you take this off?
You just unplug it and it'll pull right through.
How does one unplug?
I just made a video on how to unplug it.
Oh, maybe I should go watch it.
There's a little pull tab.
Where?
Or push tab.
Where? I don't know. I'll let you do it.
It's right here.
Now what?
I'll just pull the harness out.
Through? That's
No, no, not that way.
This way?
Pull it out the back.
You're scaring me.
That way.
Yay!
Jeez. Really yanked it out of there.
I did.
Alright.
Now what?
Now you can put your new harness through.
I like that.
Yeah, like that.
It's through.
Plug and play. Plug and play.
Oh, I guess it doesn't matter.
They're numbered 1, 2, 3. Because if you set them up the wrong way, then they'll flash like. All right, we're gonna have to wait because AutoZone did not have enough bulbs in stock. So we will catch you after we go to AutoZone. All right. What time is it?
5,
What time were our bulbs supposed to be there?
3.
Were they there?
No, but I don't want to bust this.
Bust what?
Here, hold this.
Holding.
I'm right-handed. I'm trying not to drop it or get it stuck. Or do it here. I'm so tired.
Why he has napkin?
Because you're not supposed to touch it. I don't know any other way. It won't go in. Oh wait, I did it.
You did it.
Is it in?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Hey. There.
Alright, so now once you have all the bulbs in, you're just going to want to put your connectors in and lock them into place. Make sure you do them in order, 1, 2, 3. And your reverse light, so this one's 2, so that one will go like that, and then 3.
Should I try it before we...
I'm just gonna set it in here.
Okay.
And we'll put the other one together quick, and Brandy will test them before we bolt everything fast.
I left my keys in the trunk.
Yeah. Let go. Press them. Yeah. Hit the 4-ways. Yeah, that's cool. Now do left turn signal. Left turn signal. There you go. Right turn signal. All right. Put the 4-ways on. Come back here.
Why is your tag light blinking?
Are they all the same brightness now? Remember your one's like...
Yeah.
I think it's the way the light's tinted.
Yeah.
I think this light's like darker than the rest. They're definitely brighter than the bulbs you had in there though. Right? How hard was the install, Brandy?
5 minutes if AutoZone would have had the bulbs.
These don't have any adjustable speed like some of the more expensive ones do, but I think that's nice.
Wait, step on my brake.
Here.
No, go.
I'm lost in the city, still so far from home. I've searched for you online. Lost out like a shadow, racing towards the night. I pray to see you one more time.
beautiful Mustang day in the comments below.
City nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I need your love, I need your light. Like city nights.